Hi cottage friends! Today I'm going to be sharing with you Grandma B's recipe for stuffed celery. This is great for picnics, barbecues, any outdoor activity, potlucks, or just for a really hot summer's day when you want something refreshing and just fresh that you made yourself. You know what's in it, and all you can do is enjoy. And it's gluten-free and keto friendly. We're going to start with a block of cream cheese, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of carrots, which I've chopped up, 2 tablespoons of red pepper, or it can be green pepper, 2 tablespoons of chives. I just used the opposite end of the green onion, and 2 tablespoons of green onion, 2 tablespoons of cut up parsley, fresh parsley. Very creamy. I'm glad I didn't add lemon juice. I was thinking of it. Veering off Grandma's recipe. Cut my celery into little Italian plates. We'll put this on. You can just put that right on out of the thing there. Looks delicious. You can add some other things for your own combination. Delicious. Bon appetit. Oh my gosh, did those flavors bring back memories. I felt like Grandma B was right in the kitchen with me. Thanks, Grandma, for passing down a fresh and healthy recipe. This is such a versatile recipe. You can make roll-ups or a filling for tea sandwiches. You can make a dip for carrots and crudités, or you can stuff celery just like I did. This is Grandma's favorite, and it's so fresh. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.